Welcome to Tool Tech Geek. These days I've been doing modifications of this Klein Flickback combination of utility knife and screwdriver. What I did is I removed the utility blade and 3D printed things that can go there instead. First it was a test piece, just to learn it, and then I did a box that we could use this to hold items, including a magnet to have screws or such. And one of the viewers of the previous video asked if we could fit driver bits in a holder, and I thought it was a little difficult because the space here is basically just the thickness of a driver bit. So how could we make a holder? But it was a bit of a challenge, but it was possible. Basically, we have a holder that goes only up to the height of the bit on both sides. That way we can fit it. And then on this part that's outside of the knife, we have a little reinforcement to kind of hold everything together, and that way we can keep some bits. I also added a design here which is a small utility blade holder, so we retain the capability of having a utility knife. So, and it locks and all. So I was pretty happy with the result. Thank you for watching.